Now, I know you guys seen a bunch of unboxings already of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus Unicorn Rainbow Edition.
Okay, Gigi. No big deal. No! Cell phone!
But have y'all seen the Black Panther Edition? What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadgetbeard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Now in today's video we have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now this ain't no rainbow color Galaxy Note 10, but this is what I'm calling the Black Panther Edition, because Black Panther is one badass dude.
He bomb back! He bomb back! He bomb back! He bomb back!
And I like that black stealthy look. I went with the black color, so as you can tell, the S Pen here on the box is matte black. It's like a spot varnish finish here. It looks very, very nice. You just see Note 10 there on the side of the device, nothing on the other side. You do get your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus spot varnish as well. Some mumbo jumbo on the information on the back. So this is unlocked by Samsung. So I did get the unlocked model, and I did get the 256 gigabyte model because 512 is insanely a lot of storage that I don't really need. I stream everything, dog. Can you tell me the last time you've actually put music in an SD card? I stream everything, so I have no need for more storage than 256 is plenty for me. And I think this is a 12 gig model, so 12 gigabytes of RAM. So let's go ahead and not keep you waiting and unbox this device. Bam. Now, I wasn't gonna get it, but Samsung made it just too easy not to pick this up. They were offering ridiculously good deals on their website. It made it so hard for me not to upgrade. Turned in my Galaxy S10, got 600 bucks for that, got some earbuds, and I also got a power bank that did not arrive yet, so I don't know when that's coming out. So inside the box, I know you guys seen plenty of these before. You get the phone itself. Bam! Black Panther Edition. Look at that Black Panther Edition. Looks very, very dope. Inside the box we do have the Samsung card, we have our fast charging brick, and we do have our AKG Type-C headphones. Very nice of them to include these. And we do have our black Type-C charging cable, and it matches the phone. That is brilliant, Samsung. Brilliant. Also included in the box we do have our data transfer little thingamajiggy right here, which is good. Let's go ahead and put that back, and I believe you have the tool to retract the tips to your S Pen. You do have some extra tips in here, so do not lose this. Let's go ahead and put that back before I lose it, and I'll be screwed out of luck. Boom, there. Actually, I don't know how this goes. I don't know. Tell me why. I don't know how this goes. Let's put that back. Enough with the packaging. Y'all know what it all comes with. Let's go ahead and put this back. Ooh, look at that box. That box is dope. And let's go ahead and look at the device here. Let's do some quick comparisons. Let's remove some cases from these phones. So here we have the Note. Here we have the OnePlus. And it's just about the same size as the OnePlus 7 Pro. And here we got the Red Magic 3. Look how bigger the Red Magic 3 is. God damn. That's a huge ass phone. Look at that Red Magic 3. Bam. Hell yeah. The Red Magic 3 is boss, son. You don't know about that? You don't know about anything. Look at that. Red Magic 3. Now, this is the Galaxy S10 here. Let's go ahead and put it on the side. It's a little bit bigger, and let's go ahead and put my Pixel. Let's remove these huge ass phones here, and let's go ahead and put the Pixel 3 XL there. So you have the Note 10, the S10, and the Pixel 3 XL. Look how big that is. Bam. Then you got the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Red Magic 3. Bam! The Red Magic 3 just towers all of them right there. Woo! Look at that. Huge ass phone. Heavy too. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the phone itself, and then we'll jump into the OS and setup experience. I'm pretty sure it's just like any other Samsung device. All right, so on the right side of the phone, you have absolutely nothing. You have no buttons whatsoever. On the top side of the phone, we do have a mic, a secondary mic. I believe this is what they're calling your SIM tray. Now this is on top of your phone. You do not have a headphone jack on top of the phone. So on the left side of the phone, you do have your volume rocker, you have your power button / Bixby button, and nothing else. Just 2 buttons on the left side of the phone. On the bottom side of the phone, you do have another mic, your Type-C charging port, your speaker, and your S Pen there with that clicking mechanism. And we do get this black S Pen right here. Look at that. Bam. This is the Black Panther edition S Pen, and it is made of vibranium. So if you don't know, now you know. It's not made of vibranium, I'm just playing. Man, on the back of the phone, we do have the Samsung branding there. We do have a iPhone-like camera setup, but with not 2 but 3 sensors. We do have a normal sensor, wide angle, and a portrait. We do have a flash, a time of flight, I believe is what they call camera right there. And I don't know what this little sensor right there is. So if you guys know what that third bottom sensor is, you can go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. But let's go ahead and power this bad boy up. Let's get started. Let's mute this. Let's go ahead and check out some information and get started. Damn, you gotta agree to all this crap right here, dude. That's ridiculous. Go ahead, next. Bring your old data. Let's see if we can transfer my data from my S10 onto here. Now, one thing I really like about this display, it's not only that it's a Samsung panel, but the curve that they've been using on their latest devices are so much better than the old ones. One of the dislikes that I don't like about the OnePlus 7 Pro is that that curve is so pronounced. Samsung has got a lot better doing this with their devices. Actually, they've just mastered it, whether the creator and master of the edge-to-edge display, and with it kind of tapering on the sides. So I do have my Galaxy S10 here powered on. Now I did have to plug it in because it was about to die. So let's go ahead and see if this wireless transfer starts. So open Smart Switch on your old Galaxy device. Bam. Now I got the Smart Switch app there. Now I have to enter that pin, and bam. Setup, pretty much if you have an old Galaxy S10 phone, setup is simple actually. So it's actually transferring the data wirelessly. Let's go ahead and choose. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to the wireless device. Now, so it didn't even ask me for my Wi-Fi password. It automatically connected because it connected to the Galaxy S10. So it did that on its own, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and sit next. It's gonna look for some update. So I'm gonna let the S10 out here just sit there while it wirelessly transfers all its data to my Note 10. Okay, once you sign into your Google account, it's gonna ask you if you want to back it up from a Google account, but I think I already am backing it up from the Galaxy S10. So I don't quite recommend that. So we'll see how that works out. So we can set up here face recognition, fingerprints, patterns, pin, passwords, and not now. Let's go ahead and do the fingerprint before I put any tempered glass screen protector on there. I know people are saying it's slow, but I think it's just slow in general, even if you put the tempered glass screen protector there. So let's go ahead and place my finger here, scan, press a little bit harder. So then get a full scan. So it's telling me to kind of do little edge scans of my. So there we go. Let's go ahead and add my left thumb here. Skip, bam. We're checking the connection right there to the Galaxy S10. Once the connection there establishes, it's gonna start sending over all my data. So we'll let that finish here, and then we'll come back and we'll see what we have in store with us with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Look at that, it looks exactly like my S10 there with wallpaper and everything. So let's go ahead and, you know what? One thing I noticed is very weird that there's no buttons right here where you want them to be, your thumb. Like, I'm not left-handed, so the power buttons here, volume rockers over here, that's a very, very odd choice there. So let's go ahead and see how well that fingerprint. Now it's faster than the, it's about the same, dude, little bit faster, but definitely not faster than this bad boy right here. Look at that, look at the difference, look at that. Let's go ahead and put that on the side. Look at that. Look at the difference. Just automatically went in there. Now the fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is not as fast as the one on the OnePlus 7 Pro, but it's more secure. So there you have it, guys. It's just a general setup process here. We did it a little bit different. We went the Samsung route on how to set up your device and get all your information transferred over to your new device from your old Galaxy device. So everything is pretty much the same. You have your menu buttons here. They all look just like the S10s. If you had the S10s last year, everything looks pretty much the same. Nothing has changed here. So there you have it for now for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. This is, wait, before we leave, I got to do something.
Wakanda forever!
There, that's more official. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Black Panther Edition. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.